Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Snapchat password if you forgot it. So when you are on this page or if you forgot your password, all you need to do is tap on this forgot password button. Then you have to select how you want to reset your password via phone or via email. I'm going to choose via email here and then tap on this send confirmation code. So you have to enter your mail here, then tap on this submit button, and as you can see the code has been sent. So you have to go to your mail and copy the code and then simply paste the code here, then tap on this submit again. And now as you can see we send you a verification email. Open it and tap the change password link to continue. So go to your mail here and here is the link, just simply tap on it and now you have to enter here your new password. So as you can see I already entered my new password, then tap on this save button. And now if you go to your Snapchat application, now here you have to enter your new password, tap on this login and it will send you a verification code or into your number. Copy that code, paste it here, tap on this continue, and now you have successfully logged into your Snapchat account and your password is changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.